Assalamualaikum. Annyeonghaseyo. Hello. Yogi Yashin Gosulwan Yung Hamnida. Welcome here. Chonun Usman Ibnida. I am Usman. Chonun Yaksa Ibnida. I am pharmacist. Chonun Pakistan Aswas Ibnida. I am from Pakistan. Arumdan Nara Ibnida. It is a beautiful country. Nongap Gubga Ibnida. It is an agricultural country. Puron Nara Ibnida. Green country. Gurumedo Pulkahago Chonin Honorul Payugoitsimnida. Nevertheless, I am learning languages. Chonun Hangu Gurul Payugoitsimnida. I am learning Korean language. Chalchin Nashunayo. How are you? Gungang Hashigil Baramnida. Wishing a good health for you. This is my day 25 of Korean language speaking challenge, and now I have an ayah from Surah Ar-Rahman, Surah number 55, ayat number 14. It is Gubunun Tuja Girul Manduldut Inganul Hagyuro because you assume you. It means Allah created man from clay as if making pottery. In this ayah in Korean language, Kopunun means he, Tujagirul means pottery, and Inganul means humans. So this was my day of practicing Korean language speaking. Korean language speaking practice. 감사합니다. Thank you. 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye. 출근 시간 되세요. Have a nice time. 나중에 봐요. See you later. जज़ाकुमुल्लाह खैर.